Blue pottery, a beautiful craft that made its way from Persia goes to the vibrant reliefs of India. Blue pottery is a unique art form that does not use clay in its making, has shining colors as well as executes motifs drawn by hand. The blue pottery of Jaipur is one of India's best known ceramic heritage, having its roots in Persia. Blue pottery is entirely a handmade items and it can only be found in Jaipur. This is not made out of soil. They use quartz powder, criteria gum, multani clay and glass powder. In this DIY video, I will show you how to create a different kind of blue pottery which is very attractive and can be made by anyone easily at home. Here, I am going to use ceramic or melamine plates for this DIY project. Apply 2 coats of white acrylic paint or gesso and let it dry completely. Once it is dry, you can trace the motif or design using a printout and a yellow carbon paper. Avoid using blue carbon paper as it leaves marks which spoils the painting. If you are good at the drawing, then you can create your own pattern by freehand drawing as well. You can follow the simple steps I am showing in this video, and after completion of painting, don't forget to protect your project by using the spray or a clear varnish. Enjoy the video and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.